And what we can do now, I'm going to show you how to create different variations. So if I just hold Alt and select the artboard tool in the bottom left corner, select that. And what I can actually do is select everything on my artboard. If we go to color guide, click this little color wheel in the bottom right, and it should load up with the box. And what we can do now is recolor our artwork. So you can see we've got a few different palettes here. If I go click on this original one we had, and if I go and click this little button here, it's going to switch around the colors. So it's going to replace colors that we already have, and it's going to replace it with the new ones in our groups on the right. So you can see that we can create some awesome palettes, even using the same colors and just switching them around. You can get a different look. You know, if you want a darker and a lighter palette, or even this one here, might look alright. Try and find colors that have contrast because it might look a bit muddy. So you can see some of these situations are not really looking that good, and they look pretty ugly. Maybe even just sticking with like 2 colors, keeping it real simple, real raw. So it's just about playing around with it. And then you can just press OK when you're done. So you can press OK and then just press no. And that's how you can create some quick palettes if you don't like the original one you want. And there we have it. So we've done that, and it's awesome.